Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how you can create a account on VK. To begin the process, open the VK application that you have downloaded. Now here on the home page you need to tap on sign up. Now to sign up you will need to provide your phone number. Type in the number over here and then tap on continue. Now a code will be sent to the phone number. You can see the code has been auto-detected and have been already moved to the another process. So here you will need to provide the further information, that is the first name. Type in the last name. Type in the date of birth. Select the gender and then tap on continue. Now then you will need to provide the password. Retype the same password for confirmation and then tap on continue. Friends from your contact, you can search contact and add it, but here we're going to skip this one. Tap on skip. Do you really want to skip this step? Tap on skip. You can add friends on later on as well. Now here you will need to choose your interest, so I'm just going to choose a random one and then tap on continue. And just with that, you have created yourself a VK account. VK is a Russian online social media and social networking service. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.